So let's see how we can do that. We will not be able to cover like even this part, but I will just give you like some high level idea. So you need to import these libraries, which is fine. Nothing special here. You will define a class, and again, you need to understand what classes are in Python, and the assumption is you already know that. So we're not going to talk about what a class is in Python, right? Because this was a prerequisite. So, but I assume you know. But again, if you don't know this, reach out to me, write to me an email. I can sit with you separately to explain you this. But we'll define a class, and we'll define so this net is like name of your architecture. You can use any name you want. The only thing is you'll have to inherit this neural network.module, this package. So this is like fixed. You can't change it. The only thing you can change is the name of your architecture. Again, you will need like an initializer. And again, you should be aware of this, what this init is. This is something, whenever you create an instance of this class, this function is automatically called. Okay, so that's just programming basics. So this will be called, and again, nothing new. You will always have to do this. And this is again a very standard step. So you're just using this, the name of your class, whatever you defined here. Okay, so again, this is initialization. We don't have to worry about it. Then what we'll do is we will create like layers inside this initializer. Okay, we'll talk about that, how to do that. And these layers are something you will first define them. And once you have defined them, then you're going to use those layers in your forward function. Okay, so as I said, you need a forward function, which is mandatory. And the X is going to be the input. So whatever input you have for your network, that's the variable X over here. And then below this, like in this function, we define what kind of transformations you want to perform in your network. So that's the bare minimal you need. And as I said, you don't need to worry about the backward function. So this will be the basic structure of your neural network architecture. Okay, so whatever architecture you create, you at least need this bare minimal. Okay, so maybe just we can take a pause here, and we'll talk about like the next steps in the next lecture.